We are going to show you how to use MAZICAM to convert a program from T32 control to a new matrix control. Take the cable from the computer and plug it into the CMT port of the control. We start the communication software by going to File Commander and push Receive from CNC. We select the directory we want and type in the name of the file as we want to call it on the computer. The computer is now ready to receive. Now at the MAZAC control, we push the Shape button. Followed by the Check Continue button. We now see the toolpath. Press the left green button, then push Program File. Press CMTIO, and push Save NC to CMT. We now punch in the workpiece number and press Input. And finally, press Start. We now see the characters coming across to the computer. Now hit the Edit button. Here is our MAZATROL program from the T32. Close that editor. Click Change CNC. And let's pick Matrix T. Enter the name of the file and click Save. MAZICAM has converted the program for us. We will now copy the file to a USB. Now we make a folder and copy our file inside. Take the USB drive and put it into the matrix. Now push the left button and select Data I/O. Press USB and select the directory you just created. Now press NC from USB. Enter the program number and push Input. And push Start. We will now look at the MAZATROL program. Push the Program button, then enter the work number. Select the work number of the program we just created. Select Toolpath and Part Shape. We now see the shape. Select Path Continue. And there you go. We have converted the T32 program to matrix.